Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. Uh, Today I'm gonna teach you how to open a new document or place a document or a picture in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, first of all, let's open a document. And there are several ways to place or open a document or a picture, etc. in Adobe Illustrator. And one of the standard ways to do this is by going to File and clicking on Open, or using the shortcut key Control O, as you can see over here. Okay, click on Open and go to the folder that your file exists. Mine is here. A couple of notes. Right now we are using the all formats, as you can see over here. If you want to, for example, open an Adobe Illustrator file, you can change this. If your folder contains, I don't know, for example, 200 files, different file formats, for example, PSD, AI, JPEG, TIFF, GIF, or whatever, and you're not sure where your document is, you can easily change the format. Right now it is on all formats. For example, I want to use an Adobe Illustrator file, so I'm going to choose Adobe Illustrator, and as you can see, I can only see the AI format files. So when you find your file, you can either double click on the file or click on Open. So do this and your file is open. Another way to do this is by dragging the file directly into Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to go to that folder and let's close this truck file, and now I'm going to click and drag this file right above here in this ribbon. Okay, now your file is open. Adobe Illustrator supports many kinds of formats, for example, GIF, JPEG, TIFF, I don't know, PSD files, or even PDF files. And you can use almost all kinds of formats in Adobe Illustrator. And to do this, you can use the command place. And for that, you can go to File and use the place, or use the shortcut keys Shift Control P. Okay, click on Place, and I'm going to use a picture, a JPEG format picture. I'm going to go this way, and as you can see, I can't see my JPEG files. Do you know why? Because right now it is on Adobe PDF format. So change this to all formats, and now I can see my pictures. Okay, just like before, you can either double click on your file or click on it and then use place. Okay, I'm going to double click on this picture. Okay, right now, as you can see, my picture is waiting for me to click somewhere and place the picture. You can determine the size of the picture by clicking and dragging your mouse, like what I'm doing over here. For example, I'm gonna make it this big, and your picture is placed. And now you can move it, resize it, and do whatever you want with it. For example, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, like this. And I'm gonna make this truck a little bit smaller. And that's it. And now we're in the nature having fun. Okay guys, we're done with this lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Have fun.